You really sweet little boys and girls. What are you doing over there, Artie? Go and say hi to me. Artie! Good morning. Good morning. What a good boy. Hi. Good morning. Oh, stretch. Look at this little whippersnapper. Hi, Artie. Good morning. Good morning, pumpkin pie. Hi. Oh, you're purring again? Purring already? How you purring? Oh, you're fine. Oh, you guys are silly. You guys are so silly. So silly kitties. Silly kitties. Hi. Ella, what are you doing in my shoe? Ella, what are you doing in my shoe? Hi, Artie. Artie. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, you too. I see you over there. Hi. Morning now. Oh. What are you doing in my shoe? I hear you purring. What's a pretty boy? What are you guys doing? You guys are silly. You guys are so silly. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello there. Hello. Silly kitties. What are you doing in my shoe? Oh. Oh, Ella. The world's your toy. The world is your toy. Oh, Ella. Oh my gosh. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing to your big brother? What are you guys doing? You're so silly. So silly.